Riwruog jopuonj sikunde ma primary KEPSHA dwaro ni mondo piny owacho med lemo jopuonj madongo e sikunde junior secondary kopogore kod medo gi osara. E romo ma higani mane obagi e kaunti ma Busia, jakom mar KEPSHA Andrew Musale owacho ni ber ka piny owacho owinjo dwach jopuonj mar medo gi lemo. Wach mano osir kod gavana ma Busia Paul Otuoma ka gimedo ni ber mondo piny owacho oti machiegni gi jopuonj mating'o malo chenro mag somo e pacho ka.
They are waiting for a word from you. They are manning 3 institutions in one. Na ni jina tu tunapewa principal. Na ha grade nako. Grade. The new legal regime, and there's a lot of laws which are being brought forward. Some have already landed in our committee we are reviewing. Must ensure it provides for the following. Number 1, proper designation and appointment for comprehensive school principal. We must define the role of this person and grade him properly, and therefore issue a new appointment. That is how modern institutions operate. Then we can hold you responsible. Number 2, the new legal regime must promote effective management by redefining the role of an animal in schools called a sponsor.
If a country is not going to be able to develop its human resource capacity properly, then definitely we will face challenges. And we will continue to face challenges as other countries are advancing. Someone asked again, you are a policy maker, but where do your children go? Which universities are they going? Which primary schools are they going? So these policies you are making for who?
Jaod bura ma Lagos Samuel Atandi okwayo ni mondo ket lokruok